Okay. Fine, yes. Okay. Actually, sorry guys, I got stuck to some other meeting. Okay, fine. I'll do one thing. I'll stop this machine and I'll start your machine. I open to okay. So in the last lecture, we discussed about again very important concept. If I want to know that what is my current location, the command is pwd. If I want to know what all files are available under my current location, the command is ls-lrt, ls, ll. You can use any command. If I want to create a directory, the command is mkdir. Let's say I want to create a directory one inside another. You can say mkdir-p and your directory details ///. You can do like that. Another thing is if I want to create an empty file, we use touch command. We use touch command to create an empty file. And what else we have seen? Oh, okay. After that, we discuss about the V editor. In V editor, there are two modes are there. What is the first mode? Insert mode, and second mode is command mode. If I want to insert something, I need to press I, and if I want to command mode means, let's say I want to save the file, I'll say :wq. Okay, so you can do all these things in the VI editor. So that's what we have seen in the last lecture. Okay, now okay, so let me go to the Ubuntu. I will in VI editor there are many commands are there, around 300 commands are there. Okay, but mostly the important commands are like how to insert mode, command mode. All these are very quite important. I'll log in here with the help of Learnmet user. Okay, let me show you something. So I got logged in. Okay, let me open the terminal. I heard that there is an option to base memory. I need to increase little bit, not base memory, display video memory I can increase, right? Anyway, that's fine. Let's open it. Right click, open terminal. So what I will do, okay, let's understand that. All right, so if I want to what I want to do, if I want to do something, if I want to create anything, okay, now, so I'll take one example. Let's say I have a file here with the name file1.txt or pqr.txt. I can see all this file. Let's take an example of this pqr.txt. While pqr.txt, okay, I have only 2 lines are here. Okay, I want to insert some more line. Again, I don't want to type anything, so I'll do something. I'll open the Firefox. I can see there is a browser is available, right? So I'll just copy some content from Firefox. Okay, I'll just copy some content, like let's take an example. I'll copy this content. Do we have any editor here? Okay, I'll just copy some content. I'll open it into my this LibreOffice writer is there. I'll paste it into that file. Okay, I want to paste it actually. Okay, so let me paste it there. Okay, okay, I'll paste some content there. So I'll copy this. Okay, let me copy this part. Let's copy. Okay, I just want some content there. That's it. Okay, that's my main intention. And let's copy this part also. Okay, anyway, I got some content right here. I'll copy all the content and I'll paste it here. So I'll say insert and paste. So I pasted. Let me save. How to say? :wq to save a file. So I just saved. Let me open it one more time. Okay, now the first thing what I want to do, let's say I want to delete my first line. So in V editor, if you want to delete first line or any line, okay, so first of all, make sure your cursor is there. So I can see my cursor is available there here. Okay, and let's say I want to delete it. Okay, so if I want to delete, I'll say double D. Okay, see, if I say double D in my insert mode now, it will start typing. I don't want to type, right? I want to delete it. So I'll press escape. So I'll go to the command mode and I'll press double D. So you can see that particular line got deleted. Where is my cursor? Wherever my cursor is there now, that particular line, it will get deleted. Double D, deleted. Double D, deleted. So you might be asking, like, this is not a complete, this is not looks like a line, complete line, right? But when you copy paste now, it will consider as a complete line only, because I did not typed it by pressing enter. I just copied it now. So if I say double D, it will just delete it. Let's say I made the mistake. I don't want to save the file. I don't want to save the file. If I save the file now, only 3 lines will be there. I don't want to save it. I want to do undo. So I'll press U. See, if I press U now, whatever mistake I have done, it is getting undo there. It is getting undo. So there are 2 commands that we understood in VI editor. What are the 2 commands? One is whenever, okay, let's remember that whenever you want to save something na, :WQ is there. Whenever you want to quit, means you don't want to save a file, :Q exclamation mark. Now just now we discussed, if you want to delete current line, okay, current line, so you need to press double D, and if you want to do undo, you need to press U. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Okay, please do that. Okay, let's try to do that. Please do that and let me know once it is done. Please do that and let me know once it is done. Once it is done, let me know. You can go through the previous recording. Those people who are quite new now, or maybe if you have a first day, please go through the previous recording. There are some lectures we have completed in Linux. Okay, please go back, check the first recording, second recording. You'll understand this much better then. Okay, please do that. Once it is done, let me know, guys. Okay, so that are you guys doing with me? Otherwise I will not wait for you. I'll just straight away I'll do that. Are you guys doing with me? You want me to wait or you want me to go ahead? I'll go ahead then. Okay, fine. Next. Okay, all right. So okay, so I'm doing something. Let's say I want to search something. What I want to do, if I want to search something na, in the V editor, see, just like in Notepad we can search na, similarly if I want to search something na, I'll say slash and the search pattern, whatever you want to search. You just need to mention search pattern. Search pattern means whatever you want to search. If you want to go to the next, you will press N, and if you want to go to the previous na, you will say shift N. Shift N is basically a capital N. Okay, let me show you. So let's say I want to search something into this file. Let's say I want to search with social. Okay, I want to search with my social. Where is my cursor? On the top. I want to search, so I'll say slash, I'll say social. Can you see here social got highlighted automatically? I'll press enter. Now you may have multiple social here, right? How can I go into the next session? social, I'll say N. I'll press N. See here, N, N, N. Whenever I'm pressing N, I'm going to that next. But if I want to search in backward, like no, I want to go back and search, I'll press Shift N. Now I have only two socials are there. That is the reason you are not able to see. Let's say I want to search with U. Press enter. Next. Can you see here U? Wherever you see na, you, your, there my cursor is going. Can you see? I'll press N. N means next. And if I want to search in a backward direction, I'll press Shift N. So it is going back. See here. It is going back. It is going back. So whenever you want to search something, you will say slash and the pattern, slash and whatever pattern. You can also search with like this, percentage U. This way also you can do N and Shift N. So whenever you want to search something, slash pattern or colon and your pattern. If you want to go to the next search, N. If you want to come back to the previous search, Shift N. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Please do that. Please do that and let me know once it is done. You cannot search anything under the insert mode. You got my point? Insert mode is only for to insert. Insert mode is only for to insert. If you want to insert something, only for that. But if you want to do like undo, delete, search, replace, everything will be done under command mode only. Everything will be done under command mode only. Let me know once it is done, guys. Okay. Sir, once more, please. About once more. Okay, I'll show you that two commands one more time. Okay. So the first command which I learn is if I want to delete something, let's say I want to delete this first line. I'll say wherever my cursor is there. Okay, wherever my cursor is there. So if I want to delete the search na, okay, I'll show search slash in command mode. Okay, if you are not in command mode, if you are in insert mode, it will get type. I don't want to type slash and pattern. What do you want to search? Let's say I want to search with VW. Press enter. Can you see here my cursor is here now? If I want to go to the next V, I'll press N. See, can you see here web it is coming because V is there. N. If I want to search previously, see in notepad also that option is there, boss. Like if you just go here in notepad and let's say I want to search with let's say created. So I'll say Control C, Control F. Find files, right? Find, okay. Find next and find previous also there na. See here like this. So this is like that only. Clear, everyone? CentOS also you can use. Okay, no problem. CentOS also you can use to do the Linux practice. Anything is fine. But better you guys can follow me because the directory structure which I am telling you, maybe it is not available in your CentOS. So better. Is it done, everyone? Is it done? Is it done? Search is done. Search is done or not? Is it done, everyone? Everyone, is it done or not? Okay. Now let's take an example.
Sir, sir, I have one doubt. So you command will undo the delete, right? So
Undo.
immediate delete, yeah. So immediate delete will be restored, right? The
Immediate.
previous
Yeah,
delete will
if
not
you
be.
if you save it now, then you cannot restore it. Okay. Let's take an example. You saved it.
Suppose then, suppose we are deleting two line at a time. Then we
So
are
just
entering U.
it will restore
Then
that two
it is
lines. Okay.
no, for me it is restoring only one.
Then you need to press again one more time U.
Okay, okay.
Sir, for first time, if we are like searching, or for example, hi, okay, then second, I want to search second time something else. So how we will be search?
Again, you need to say slash and then something else, whatever you want to search,
Okay, thank you.
because you are searching two different pattern, na? So you need to in Notepad also you are going to. Do you think that you can search two things at a time? So if you say find, I'm searching find. So created is searching now. If I want to search with something called, let's say, tuning here, so I need to type again, na?
Yes.
Then it will come. Clear, everyone? Any question?
Hello, sir. Hello,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you.
Sir, I will done it is after completing previous video, sir, because I can't understood like that when when I need to place like that.
Yeah. First you complete the previous lectures now, and then you
Yes,
can do that. Okay.
thank you.
अभी आपका
हेलो
पहला
सर।
क्लास है, आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा। ओके, तो पुराना वाला
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा देखो
जी सर.
तो ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा।
हेलो सर,
यस।
एक डाउट है। मैंने क्या किया, एक फाइल में मैंने मतलब वो टेक्स्ट फाइल में सेव किया। ओके, एंड देन वीआईएम के कमांड से उसको एडिट करने जाता हूँ तो मुझे वो ब्लैंक दिख रहा है, तो उसको कैसे करना है?
If it is not blank, it means you are not opening that file
ओके।
in a right path. What I mean to say, what
हाँ।
VI editor will do, VI editor, it will create a new file if that file
ओके।
is not exist in that location. You got my point? Let's say,
राइट। हम्म।
let's say I have this file is available with the name pqr.txt.
ओके।
So first thing you need to check whether that file is there or not. Can you see that in that location when you do lsfnlrct? That thing you need to check.
ओके सर।
Maybe you are not opening the file in the current location. Maybe you are available in some different location and you are trying to open pqr.txt. I'm assuming like that.
ओके।
You got my point, guys, everyone, what I'm trying to say? So if I say cd dot dot, can I open vi pqr.txt now?
No.
Can I open that? If I say I will get a new file here. Why? Why I'm getting a new file? Because pqr.txt is not there in my current location. I change my location now. My current location is /home/learnermate. Does this pqr.txt available here? No. Where is the pqr.txt? It is available under desktop. Here it is there. You got my point, everyone? Everyone?
Actually, sir, I had saved it in .odt format. So because of that, maybe I was not able to.
So you need to give the complete name, including .odt also.
So now if I give that ODT extension now, it is showing me something like RDF, XML, like that it is opening. So
Because
how
you saved it by using this, I think this software you used.
okay, yes. So I
See,
need to put,
actually in Linux operating system, there is no extension. You got my point?
Okay.
There is no extension to the file itself. I can create a file like this also, vi, let's say test. So there is no extension. I can
Okay.
save the file also. Now it's a empty file. How can I know that whether it is a file or directory?
Right, sir.
How can I know, guys? What do you think, guys? How can I know whether it is a file or directory? Tell me, guys. How can I know whether it is a file or directory?
There is a D percent.
We are just getting D in front of directory
So there is
in
no D available,
terminal.
correct? D. On the left, there is no D available. So it means it is a file. Okay. Now, just take an example, same example. What was the file name I was using? बारिश आ रही है क्या? बाप रे बाप, तन्ना. What was the file I was using? pqr.txt. vi pqr.txt. I'm opening this file. Okay. Let's say what I want to do. I want to search and replace. What is meant by search and replace? Let's say this tuning I want to replace with, let's say, learnmet. So I can say replace all, right? See here, everything got replaced with. Similar way, when I want to replace now, I can use the command like colon percentage yes. I want to replace in all places. When I say percentage means all places. Slash, what I want to replace, let's say I want to replace with v is there na, v. I want to replace v with or any other word which you see multiple time. Can you see any word? V is there, and okay. Or let's say I want to replace v only. Okay, let's replace v with u. V with I'll replace u. I want to replace v with u in all the line. Enter file. Okay, in all the line. So when I say press enter, colon percentage e, can you see here 3 substitution 3 lines. So wherever v was there na, see everything got replaced with u, but this does not get changed, right? What is the problem? Why this does not get changed? Why this v? What is the problem, guys? What do you think? Why it does not get changed?
W is for capital.
The capital.
Because w is a capital, right? It is case sensitive. You got my point? If I press undo now, let's say I want to do undo. See, this is a small v. I mentioned colon percentage yes. I want to replace v. What I want to replace? I want to replace v with u in all the lines. See here, it got changed. It got changed. Everyone, is it clear? Is it clear?
Sir, if we want to change only in one particular para, yeah, one line, how can we change?
I'll show you that. In the current line you are saying, right?
Current line, whatever, I think in the middle line only I want to change particularly.
Then go to that. You need to make your cursor in that location then. First of all, you
Okay.
need to go into that location. When I say current line means this is my current line actually. Wherever my cursor is there, na, that is my current. So you need to shift your cursor to that particular line number. Okay, you need to go there.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir.
So let me show you one more time. Colon percentage yes. What is your old value? Colon percentage yes. This is my old value. This is my new value. And then G. Is it clear? this will replace old value with new value to all lines. Try this, guys. Just add some content.
Sir, over there, G is yeah, Ankush Sir, I guess you are on mute.
If you don't mention G, it will replace in the current line only.
Okay, so G is for whole text, right?
When you in enter file, when you say so G is for, I'll tell you one example. Let's take an example. I have a line like I like Linux. Linux is good. Okay. In this line, how many times Linux are there?
2 times.
2 times. Let's say I want to replace with Linux with, let's say, Oracle. If you don't mention G, it will just replace this Linux only with Oracle. Only first occurrence. Second one will not do. But if you mention colon percentage yes, your old value, what is my old value? Linux with Oracle.
Oracle.
Okay. And if you don't mention the G now, it will just replace this only. But if you mention G, it will replace both one. Is it clear?
Yeah. So it will check the whole text how many times Linux is.
Correct. Everything it will replace. When you mention G means all the occurrence on that line. Okay.
Okay.
What about percentage? Let's say if you mention only if you just mention colon yes, if you don't mention percentage yes, if you just mention colon yes, so this is basically on the current line only, current line. But if you mention percentage yes, it will replace in all the line. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So I use it quite simple. Colon percentage yes means I want to replace in all the line, means complete line. Let's say I have 10 line, all the 10 line it will replace. What I want to replace? Old value with new value, and G means multiple occurrence on that line. So here also it will replace, here also it will replace. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So this is like, this is how your V editor will work. Okay. Let's take a few more. Let's take a new example and take one more example. or I'll take another command. Okay, see, now assume a situation that we are trying to understand about the file system now. Okay, let's try to understand file system, how it works. Okay, see, this is quite tricky, but understand it well. Okay, so just make sure that you guys are listening me very well, because this is very important. If you understand this one now, the overall Linux is very simple. There is nothing. So as I said earlier also, in Linux operating system, you have everything under the root partition here. This is called root partition. So under root, when I use the folder called /home /lernomate/desktop, what does it means? We have a root partition. Under root, we have a folder called home folder. Under home folder, we have lernomate folder is there. Under lernomate folder, we have desktop folder is there. So since I currently logged in with lernomate user, lernomate user has the access to the home directory. Which home directory? /home/lernomate. He has the access to his home directory. Let's say in future I created a user called with the name u1. So every user will have their home directories like /home/u1, /home/lernomate. Every user will have home directory. You got my point, everyone? So under lernomate, if I want to create any folder or any directory or any file, I can do that, no problem in that. But I do not have access to the root partition under this root partition. I do not have access. I'll give you one example. Let's say I said mkdir -p /home/data. I want to create a data folder. I'm getting the error message that permission denied. Who is my current user? Lernomate user is my current user. So lernomate is my current user who do not have access to create any file under /home. Till /home, I do not have access. But if I say /home/lernomate, means under my home directory I want to create a data folder, I can do that. See, I can see here data folder got created. So under my home directory I can do anything, because I am the king of my home. So I can do everything under my data directory. Since I am the lernomate user, so I can do everything under my home directory. Under my home directory I can do everything, no problem in that. But I cannot do anything under slash folder. Under slash folder means before my home directory I cannot do anything. Before my home directory means /home. This is my home folder na. Before me /home I cannot do anything. Even I tried to create a data folder na, I got permission denied. So who can do that? That can be done by root user. So how to log in? Whenever you want to switch a user na, now lernomate is a pseudo user, means he is a powerful user little bit. So he can log in here like this. What is my password? Lernomate password, Oracle. Now who got logged in here? Earlier it was lernomate user. Now I am a root user. He is a second user. I'll set the password of root user. How to set a password of root user? Password root. Whenever you want to set or reset the password, the command is password and username. Press enter. The root password is root. I am setting the password of root user. By default, Ubuntu does not have root password, so I am setting it. This user got created automatically. When you do the installation of Ubuntu, this user got created automatically. So basically this overall structure looks like this. I have this Ubuntu operating system. Under that there are two users are there now. One is my root user, another user is my lernomate user. These are the two users are there. Now root is the most powerful user, so he can create directory under any directory. He can do anything. Learnomate user can only create a directory under /home learnomate only, here inside that only. He cannot do anything. Now if I want to show you the complete path, see, I said cd/, this is my first partition, root partition. I am here. What is my current location? See here, root /home. When I say /home means under /home folder is there. Where is the home folder? Where is that? Here. /home. Can I go inside the home? I can go inside the home. See here, I am inside the /home. /home /learnomate means under home, which folder is there? Learnomate folder is there. See here, learnomate folder. So I'll go to the learnomate folder. Under learnomate folder, which folder is there? /home /learnomate /desktop. See here, there is a desktop folder is there, and this is the desktop of my. This is the desktop of my which user? Learnomate user only. So this is not a common desktop. This desktop what I see here, it is just a desktop of my which user? Learnomate user only. So if I go to the home directory of any other user, now I will not see this desktop. That desktop will be different. I will not see this directory also there. So what I'm trying to say you, if I want to stop this machine also, let's say I want to stop this Ubuntu, there is a command called init6, or I can use reboot command. Simple. See, only root user can reboot the machine, only root user, because I logged in with root user. So normally in real-time production environment, you people will not have access to the root user, because this is a test machine. You can do everything on your laptop, no problem. Only the system administrator team will have access. Now again I'm logging with learnomate user. So when I see the desktop, that is a desktop of my which user? Which user? This is the desktop of my learnomate user. I'm opening a terminal now. Now if I ask you, can you please create a folder like /home /opt /home/opt, or there are two folders you need to create. Second one is /home /learnomate /opt. So there is a too much difference between these two commands. What does it mean? This is basically you are creating under /home folder is already there. Under home opt folder you need to create. So the complete path here is, what is my complete path? /home /opt. Here what is my complete path? /home /learnomate opt. But if I'm asking you, go inside the desktop folder and create opt folder, what will be the complete path? The complete path will be /home /learnomate /desktop, and under desktop you need to create opt folder. Are you able to understand? Everyone? Say yes, say no.
Yes, Ankush.
Everyone able to understand?
No, sir. Can you repeat?
Yes.
Can you please repeat?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
अच्छा, अब जिसका ज्यादा भेजा है उसको समझ में आएगा जल्दी.
Sir, what is the difference between second and third command?
What is the difference between second and third command? What do you think, guys? What do you think? What is the...
Learnomate is an user, and in the Learnomate only desktop is there, na?
Desktop is not a user. Desktop is a folder.
Basically,
Folder.
we are having a common folder over there, home, and under that we are having something like OPD and Learnomate, which there are two users which we have created, and in second one under Learnomate we have created OPD.
So every time you cannot say that this is a user only. Okay. When I say I'm creating a user, it means that user related one folder will be getting created there. What I'm trying to say is, so when I say OPT, it doesn't mean that the OPT user got created. Okay. OPT is just a folder. Where is this folder available? Under which folder it is available?
Desktop.
Are not desktop. This is available under /home.
/home. Okay.
Where is this OPT folder available under? Which folder?
Slash home.
Learnomate.
Slash home.
And where is this OPT folder is available?
The
Under
desktop.
Under desktop.
desktop.
So basically, slash home is common for everyone. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
So under slash home, what are all folders are there? Can you tell me the list under slash home? What are all folders are there?
Learnomate
OPT,
desktop.
Learnomate,
One is
Learnomate.
OPT and second one is
Learnomate.
Learnomate.
under Learnomate. Which folder is there?
Desktop.
desktop, OPT,
But under OPT, which folder is there?
nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing is there.
Huh?
Data.
Nothing is
Nothing
there.
is there.
Nothing is there. Okay. So I'll give you a small assignment. Okay, you guys try now. Just create a folder structure like. Consider that my current location is desktop, which is my Learnomate desktop. Okay. When I say my Learnomate desktop means my current location is slash home slash Learnomate slash desktop. What do you want to do? Under desktop, you need to create a folder like. Okay. So under desktop, you need to create a folder like U02 app 19c. So you need to run the command like mkdir U02 app 19c. Second command you need to run like mkdir -p slash U02 app 19c. So can you tell me what is the complete path here? Considering I'm inside a desktop, what is the complete path till 19c? What
So
is the
that would
complete
be
path?
home,
Huh?
home slash Learnomate slash desktop slash user 2 slash app slash 19c.
And what is the complete path here?
So we are just creating under desktop only, right?
So this U02 is available where?
Desktop.
Not desktop. That is the mistake you guys are doing. I mentioned slash here. You need to see first slash.
Okay.
When I say first slash means this is a slash of what? Which user? What? No, not user.
Root.
This is a root partition. See, second one is not a root partition. Only the first one. So it means under slash you have which folder? U02. Under U02 you have which folder? App. Under app you have which folder? 19c. But what about this one? Did I mention slash here? Did I mention slash here? Yes or no?
No.
No. So it means this U02 got created under which folder?
Desktop.
Desktop. So what is the location of desktop? Slash home.
Learn.
So
Slash Learnomate
slash desktop
Desktop.
slash U02 slash app
Desktop
slash
slash
19.
19c.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear na?
Yes.
Yes.
Acha, can I create this location by using Learnomate user?
Yes, sir.
Can I create this location by using Learnomate user?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No,
Yes sir. नहीं
no,
बोलने
no.
का पावा है. This
No.
is under slash na.
Root only.
Can you
Root.
create under root?
Sir.
No, sir.
Can you
No.
create U02 under root? Is this possible? Can I create under any
No,
folder
no.
by using Learnomate user?
No.
No.
No. This should
No.
be created by which user?
Root user.
Root user.
Root user.
Let me show you practically. Okay.
Root user is only
बस
having
दिमाग
access.
लगा आप लोग ना. काजू बादाम खाते नहीं क्या आप लोग? काय खाएंगे भाई सन. अभी तो जॉब ही नहीं होगा. काय खाओगे?
ये सही था.
ठीक है सुनो. Where I am right now?
Desktop.
Desktop. So I want to create the first structure U02 app 19c. So I'll say where is this U02 will be getting created? Where it will be getting created? Under
Desktop.
desktop. So I'll say
Desktop.
mkdir -p U02 app 19c. Can I see that U02 here?
Yes.
Yes, I can see. If I want to show you with GUI, see here. Under a desktop, U02 got created, then app, and then 90C. Okay. Now, second one. The same command I will type, but I will mention slash here. Now where this it will get created? User to
Root.
root.
Not created.
Since it is getting created under root, I'll get the error message. What is the
Yes,
error
sir.
message?
Permission denied.
No
Permission.
permission
So I
denied.
will log in with which user?
Root user.
Root
Now I
user.
don't need to say sudo su because I know the password of root user. So I'll say su, which is switch user, root. What is my root password? Root.
Root.
Root. And if I use the above command mkdir-p slash user2 slash app slash 19c, done, got created. Can I see this user2 now here after doing ls-lrt? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No,
No, sir. It is under desktop. No,
No.
it is under
under
root.
desktop.
So we just
Yeah,
This
need
under
to just
user2 is
You
where?
will
Where?
under root,
Root.
sir.
Under
Under root.
root means I need to
root.
say cd slash. Can I see that now?
Yes.
yes.
I can see that user2. Can you see in the bottom? See here. That is the use case of user means ls-lrt. Under user2, what I can see? App. Under app, what I can see?
19C.
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 Can you see my complete path, guys? My
Yes, sir.
complete path is
Yes.
user2 app 19c only. Why the desktop
Mm.
is not there? Why the desktop is not there?
Because we have
Because we
created
created
user
under
2
root
by
user.
User2
using
is
root.
actually
Root
available
folder.
directly in root partition.
We are under root
Hmm.
user.
Understood na? This.
Yes, sir.
So I'm telling you one thing. The person who understand this na, he understood Linux very very well. And most of the people are facing the challenges here only. Now you need to realize yourself because I'm not going to see you, right? So you need to understand yourself whether you actually understood or not. Able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Please
yes,
do
sir.
it.
Sir,
Please do
my
it.
it is my first lecture, but I
मैंने पहले
understand
लेक्चर वाले
something.
को छोड़ दो, उसका टेंशन ही नहीं
नहीं
अपने
सर,
को.
फिर भी समझा हमको थोड़ा बहुत.
अच्छा फिर भी समझा क्या? हाँ फिर बहुत अच्छा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. करो फिर इसको खत्म करो. प्लीज कंप्लीट दिस. इंग्लिश पे आ चाहिए. बड़ा लफड़ा इधर.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, how can we log in back to the home Learnomate home?
How can you go back and just say cd slash home slash learnermate. Acha, from root if you
Oh,
want to go back to
yes,
the learnermate,
yes.
just to exit.
Oh,
Or
thank
you
you.
can say switch user learnermate also. That is also possible. Switch user learnermate and enter the password of learnermate. Once it is done, let me know. So in real time, most of the time you are in touch with the Linux team. Okay, so you will have a dedicated team will be there whenever you want to create any directory under root partitions and all. So basically you need to raise a ticket with the Linux team and they will create on behalf of you. Okay, so sometimes you may not require this also, but just for your information and knowledge I'm telling you all these things. Okay,
Sir, which command you had you used to reset the root password?
password password
Root and password, no?
password and root username, PAWSWD. You need to do this by using root user. Okay,
It's saying like install snap install root framework.
snap install.
Root framework.
नहीं पता नहीं, just check it once. Okay, maybe you are making some mistake. Again I'm telling you guys, okay, I'm going very slowly and I'm not in the rush to complete the Linux. Okay, but if you guys are like, if someone is thinking that I'm just taking 3 days class and all, okay, then let me know, we can discuss on it and we can refund your money. Okay, so my intention is not to complete the course immediately. My intention is, because since we are quite new, means we both should able to understand first, because once I start the Oracle DBA na, then I will not stop, and then you people will ask say me that we need a time to do the practice, and then I will not give you any practice. See, you guys need to understand that even I also want to complete the course as soon as possible, because our next batch we need to take quickly. So but my intention is always like, you people should understand the things very well, because I am the owner and my main responsibility, it's not about the money and all. Okay, we always get a good admission, there is no problem in that. And why we have good name in the market? Because we want to ensure that if you are spending a money, that should go to your knowledge. Okay, so your knowledge base should always get increased. So I'm not, see, it is a hardly 20-30 commands are there, not more than that also, which we normally use by a DBA. But if I'm taking it everything into the single class, then I don't think so you people will understand anything. Again, there is no need to take SQL and Linux also. I can directly start Oracle DB also. But we have a people coming from non-technical background, then they will not understand anything. So understand it, we will go slowly, do as much as practice you can, because once I start the Oracle DB na, then I will not stop. Everyone agree with me? Everyone agree
Sure.
with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I don't
Yes,
want
sir.
to close it. Okay, close like within a 1 or 2 days I can also close. Okay, there is no problem in that. And those who are not agree, they can छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बातें. Once it is done, let me know, guys. Okay. One more thing, I want to give you one small assignment. Okay, try this also. Try this, guys. Okay, let's say I'm inside the desktop. You need to create like base app product, and second one you need to create is this way. The first one, second one you need to create like slash home slash learnermate, then base app product. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sending this to your group. Okay. Then
Under desktop only we need to create the.
under desktop. Now you guys use your mind and let me know how you did that.
Yeah. Okay.
Fine. Let's connect tomorrow. We'll continue this. Thanks, guys. Okay. And if you have not take this, let me send this one also. All right. Okay. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Ankush.